I'm just so in shock, guys. I'm still yet to recover from the whole Wildcat saga. Seriously, I can't believe my ears.
You were chosen by Big Brother to be the wild card.
Yeah.
How well do you think you've played the wild card game? You were chosen by Big Brother as the wild card.
Yes, I was.
To think of the two wildcats. No, in my head, I just know that the wildcat is a male and a female. But the two persons that were picked as the wildcat is what did not just come to my mind. Like, I didn't see it coming. Who could ever imagine that Maria and Pere are the wildcats? Guys, they never cut across my mind. The person was even coming across my mind was even this lady, Liquor Rose. Liquor Rose was the person coming to my mind because I was trying to analyze it with her personality and the likes like that. Then another person that was also coming to my mind was even this is it Saga guy? What was even his name? Saga. That was the two persons that was even coming to my mind because I was trying to analyze them with their personality outside before them coming into the house. You understand? But now coming in and no, guys, I didn't see this coming. I'm shocked. If you know you're in shock as well as I am, please comment in the comment section down below. I'm still trying to process the whole thing. So guys, do you think that on Sunday this guys would be able to fish out the wild card? Maria is really playing a cool game. She's merry-go-rounding with everybody's head. Seriously. Okay, Pere is just being him, but I'm not feeling that Maria's story is all like a lie, it's all fake, it's all that. Seriously, I'm not seeing that Maria's story is real all the while, all along. Pere, should we now say that his whole cry of his mother leaving him by 4 years and the like is a lie just to remain in the house, or just to take away the notion from people's minds, suspecting them that they are the wild cats? Guys, please, let's talk about this. Don't mind my voice today, don't mind me today, but like the shock is really got to me. I don't know if it actually got to you. Okay, yeah guys, if this is your first time watching my video, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's still your #1 favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Don't forget, we are still on to the season 6 of the Big Brother Naija show. Shine your eye. It's indeed time for the housemates to shine their eye and get who those two wildcats are on Saturday. And it's very funny how even Maria was able to assume or guess that Pere is the wildcat, and vice versa. Like, na thief they know thief. I beg. Now who they thief? Now they know who be thief. Now which they know who be winch. So my dear, this assertion is actually real. It is real. Okay guys, stay glued to this. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos. I love you all. Until next time.